Any job involving electrical wiring, gas lines, structural changes, or major plumbing should always go to a licensed specialist instead of being handled as a do-it-yourself project. These jobs carry serious safety risks and often require permits, so a trained professional protects both your home and your family. Think of your house like a body. You wouldn't ask your family doctor to perform heart surgery, right? You'd want a heart specialist. Homes work the same way. A general handyman might be great at fixing a leaky faucet or hanging a shelf, but when it comes to something like rewiring a breaker box or moving a load-bearing wall, you need someone who specializes in that exact system. Here's something most people don't know. Many electrical and plumbing issues that seem small on the surface, like a flickering light or a slow drain, are often warning signs of a much bigger problem hiding behind the walls. A specialist knows how to trace that problem back to its source instead of just patching the symptom. Waiting too long or hiring the wrong person can turn a $200 fix into a repair costing thousands of dollars. One big mistake homeowners make is assuming that because someone is licensed in one trade, they're qualified to handle a completely different one. A plumber is not automatically qualified to do electrical work, so always confirm the specific license matches the job. Another common issue is hiring based on price alone. The cheapest quote often means corners are being cut, so instead compare experience, reviews, and warranty offered. People also forget to ask if a permit is required for their project. Skipping this step can cause major headaches later when selling your home, so always ask your contractor directly. If you need help finding the right expert for your project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job by Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts reach out and message you back with their estimates.